Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So color coding in Goodnotes helps you recognize folders instantly and keeps your library visually organized. While Goodnotes doesn't let you directly assign colors to folders, you can use smart workarounds to archive or to achieve the same effects. Okay, so in this guide I will show you step by step how to color code folders in Goodnotes the smart way. So first thing first, understand the limitation. Okay, so Goodnotes doesn't support direct folder color changes, but you can simulate color coding using other methods. So for example, use colored notes book like covers inside folders. Okay, so inside each folder you can assign a color theme using notebook covers. So for example, school blue notebook, work green notebooks, personal red notebooks. So this creates a visual color system. You can also add color emojis to folder names. Okay, so rename folders using emojis. Okay, so for example, school blue, work red, personal yellow. So long press folder and rename. So this is the closest thing to real folder colors. Okay, you can also use consistent namings plus color logic, so match emoji plus notebook cover. Okay, so for example, school blue covers, work green covers. Okay, so consistency makes it powerful. You can also organize layouts for visual clarity, so keep similar colors grouped, avoid mixing random styles, and clean layouts means faster navigation. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.